How to delete emails on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Mail application on your phone. This app is the default email client that comes pre-installed on iPhones. It allows users to manage emails from various accounts in one place, including iCloud, Gmail, Yahoo, and others. You will then be taken to the inbox page. Over here, you can view the list of your received emails. If you want to delete any email from here, then go over to that email. And then, tap and hold the email as shown. Here, tap on Delete Message. You have now successfully deleted this email. You can repeat this to delete any other email that you want. Following these steps, you can easily delete emails on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.